the old Chimney Rock is gone. It's gone and it won't come back.
Chimney Rock and Lake Lure suffered some of the most severe damage from Helene. Rutherford County continues to take missing persons reports after evacuating more than 100 residents.
I mean, we've never had a tragedy or a disaster as bad as this one. A lot of us have been here for 30 years, 40 years. I think we just build on that and show people, what Chimney Rock can become.
What we are all experiencing is this question about what happens to our community. These are just buildings, but this is our home.
You guys have been such a beautiful community to help. And you have been kind, and you have opened your doors, and you have fed me. And my heart is here.
I really believe that the chance to do something special is here. A rebirth, a regrowth of the community.